Title: How to Record Financial Transactions in the Journal with Teacher Sabrina. Scene 1. Classroom. Sabrina stands near a whiteboard. Sabrina: Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to record financial transactions in the journal, which is the first step in accounting records. David: Is that the same as the ledger? Sabrina: Good question, David. No. The journal is the initial record. The ledger comes later. We'll get to that in another lesson. Scene 2. Writing on the whiteboard. Journal: Daily record of financial transactions. Sabrina: The journal records every financial operation in chronological order, using the double entry system. Debit, credit. For each transaction, we must write at least 2 accounts, one that gets debited and one that gets credited. Nina: How do we know which account to use? Scene 3. Sabrina draws a chart. Could account type unasset dos liabilities. Troy's equity 6 expenses sept revenue. Sabrina: Great question, Nina. In Europe and most African countries, we use a standard chart of accounts with a numeric code system. Each account starts with a number that tells us what type it is. Jack: What about America or Asia? Do they use the same system? Sabrina: Not exactly. In the US, companies often follow US GAAP, while in Asia, some countries follow IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, and others have local systems. But the idea of debits and credits is still universal. Scene 4. Practical example. Sabrina writes on the board. Transaction: On April 10, the company bought an office desk for $500, paid in cash. Journal entry. Date: April 10, 2025. Debit: $218. Furniture, office equipment, $500. Credit: $53. Cash, $500. Description: Purchase of office desk. Daniel: Why is furniture debited and cash credited? Sabrina: Excellent question, Daniel. Because furniture is an asset that increases, and cash is also an asset, but it decreases. So we debit what increases and credit what decreases. Scene 5. Summary and conclusion. Sabrina: So remember, the journal is your starting point. Always follow the chronological order, use the correct account codes, and apply the double entry rule. David: That was actually easier than I thought. Nina: Can we do more examples next time? Sabrina: Absolutely. In the next video, we'll learn how to post these entries to the ledger. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.